Hey YouTube, TimetravelPichu here with my first YouTube booster box openings. I've already opened the Psycho Drive Hail Blizzard, no, Psycho Drive booster box. I got some pretty awesome pulls. I got the Kyogre EX, and I also got it in full art, which was pretty awesome. Still need to get the Mewtwo EX regular, but so if any of you out there want to trade and you have that, I've got some cards for trade. Just message me. So I'm gonna start off the Hail Blizzard booster box. So here's the artwork. I'm looking for the Kyogre EX. Hopefully I can pull that. Okay. Here we have a Vanillish, Jigglypuff, Lampent, Double Colorless Energy, awesome, and a Hippowdon. Four packs. If you haven't watched the Psycho Drive booster box opening, you should go check that out. I get some pretty awesome pulls. So here we have a Bronzor, a Darumaka, a Deerling, and a Vanillux Holo, awesome. And I love this Beartick. This Beartick is awesome, artwork wise. It's probably a pretty decent card to play too, but I don't play very much. I mean, I play the TCG online a little bit, but I'm on a bit of a losing streak right now, and it makes me very sad face. Okay, here we have a Riolu. Oh, I think we have an EX here. A Cubchoo, a Growlithe, and a Regigigas EX, and Saucebuck. I've never really been much of a fan of Regigigas. I think they should have just left it as Regirock, Regice, and Registeel. But that's just me. Yeah. Hopefully I can get that Kyogre EX. Really want that card. Of course, now that I've said that I really want it, I'm not going to get it. I had to go and jinx myself. Okay, here we have a Eugium, I don't know, Elgium, alien thing, a Pidove, Patilil, I want to say Fungus, but I don't think it is. I think Fungus is the other one. The evolved form of Fungus, I guess, and a Darmanitan. I think it's about time they put the second form of Darmanitan into the TCG. Oh, we have an adorable Pikachu, a Sneasel, a Wigglytuff, and a Zapdos Holo. Awesome, I love legendary birds. And a Raichu. It's too bad they didn't put a Pichu in this set. Feels a little incomplete if you ask me. Oh, so I've got 5 more packs left to open up in this part, then I'll make a part 2. So, look forward to that, I guess. Or don't, I don't know. Do whatever you want. Don't let me tell you what to do. Oops. Okay. We have here a Vanillite, a Growlithe, I love Growlithe, Petilil, a Gardevoir Holo, awesome, and a Pokemon Center. Okay, here we have a Elgium, a Pansage, Darumaka, a Pokemon Center, and a Lapras. Love Lapras. Awesome card. Very good artwork. How am I down to? 3? Yeah. 3 left for this part. Here we have a Ralts, Bronzong, a Deerling, an Unpheasant, and a Lilligant. Two more. Come on, Kyurem EX. I really missed the Pokemon EX. I'm really glad they brought them back. We have a Lampent, a Tranquil, Riolu, and a Groudon EX Secret Rare. That is awesome. Man, I love these Japanese full arts. And a Darmanitan. Last pack for this part. Then we'll make a video for part 2. That's disappointing. Okay. Oh, we've got a holo here. Here we have a Pawniard, Vanillite, Kirlia, a Bisharp Holo, awesome, and a Weavile. Awesome, so a pretty decent way to end off this first part, and I will get right back to you with the second part. Awesome, bye.